Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a movie explain channel. First, define your niche. Are you focusing on horror, sci-fi, or perhaps a specific director's work? Research popular films and fan theories within that area. Understanding your target audience is crucial. This helps you tailor your content to what they truly want to see. This foundational step ensures your channel has a clear direction from the start. Once your niche is set, it's time to craft your explanations. Start by outlining each video, ensuring a logical flow from introduction to conclusion. Your script should be concise, highlighting key plot points and offering insightful analysis without unnecessary filler. Remember to integrate compelling visuals and relevant movie clips to keep your audience engaged throughout the entire video. High-quality production is essential for a professional movie explanation channel. Always record clear audio using a good microphone. Poor sound can deter viewers quickly. Edit your videos for smooth transitions and engaging pacing, ensuring the story flows seamlessly. Finally, enhance the viewing experience by adding appropriate background music and subtle sound effects to complement your narrative. To grow your channel, optimize your video titles and descriptions with relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Actively promote your videos across various social media platforms to reach a wider audience and encourage sharing. Engaging with your community through comments and polls also builds loyalty. And hey, for making meal prep easy, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.